Hello everyone, this is Guarda Wallet and today we're demonstrating you our Ethereum 2.0 update. With an upcoming Ethereum 2.0, staking for Ethereum has become available, and we at Guarda Wallet has successfully implemented it. So now if you own Ethereum, in your Ethereum wallet you will see the staking button where you can stake your Ethereums. Minimum staking deposit is 0.1 Ethereum. You can of course stake more, but for sake of demonstrating, I'm just gonna stake minimal amount. Here you can see how much you will stake, from which wallet and your network fee, and of course how much will be staked. So we're just pressing confirm, and as you can see the transaction is already in the network and my Ethereum is on its way to get staked. A really easy and a really profitable process. And of course by staking with Guarda, you will participate in Ethereum 2.0 staking and receive GET token in a 1-to-1 ratio to Ethereum rewards in return. As I said before, it's really profitable because the annual interest rate is currently around 16%, including the service fee, and depends on the total staked amount in the network. If you're already planning and counting the percentage in your head, don't worry. We've prepared an Ethereum staking calculator where you can count how much you will deposit and how much you will yield in return. Link to that calculator is in the description of this video. And of course on this page where you can find the calculator, there are also answers to all your questions about Ethereum 2.0 and Guarda. For example, what is Ethereum 2.0, what's the interest rate, what is the minimum amount to stake, and how the reward will be distributed. But we'll also answer here in this video that according to the Ethereum staking rules, staked Ether and rewards are frozen in the network until the launch of Phase 2 of Ethereum 2.0, that will happen approximately in 2 years. Thus, currently, it is impossible to withdraw Ethereum. And that's all what I wanted to say about this update. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you prepared to stake your own Ethereum with Guarda Wallets. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.